Hi, I hope my screen is visible. And then let's start today's post-market analysis, how the market went today, and then what are the possible trades that we can trade, we could have taken. So, looking at yesterday's market, yesterday you can see it is kind of volatile to positive market for Bank Nifty, and Nifty is sideways to negative. Weird market, and that's why you can see today Bank Nifty is wide CPR and Nifty is narrow CPR. So we don't know market can is going to take directional and one way move, or it is going to be volatile again. And today is like after 3 days of long weekend, today market open. So that is another thing we need to observe for the price action today. So market opened with a huge bearish candle on Bank Nifty, you can see. And whereas this one, I would say it is neutral because it has some serious selling pressure compared like Bank Nifty, but towards the end it has actually recovered. And so it is kind of neutral for Nifty, and then bearish for Bank Nifty. And then, but we cannot take the opening trade because of the diversification between the Nifty and Bank Nifty. You can see here, even if you want to take here, Bank Nifty can reverse from top CPR or middle CPR, so risk reward is not good. So instead, we can wait for the retracement and then short. Here it almost came, and here it gave the second opportunity at 12:25. So surprisingly, here Nifty made a bullish candle at the same time. So that is one thing which didn't give us the conviction to take the short position, though it is a retracement back to the same level. Actually, this is a very good short opportunity if you see, because it has this supply zone and then day high and a pivot point. Three resistances are there. So it is actually good place. But the thing is, you see, for a bullish candle, the volume is so high, and for bearish candle, immediately the volume has actually fallen down. I don't know if you can see it. Let me. Sorry, I'm new to this trading. Yeah, here. If you see, for bullish candle, there is a huge volume here. For bearish candle, the volume is very less. So that is actually something fishy there. Oh, sorry. So that is one thing, it didn't give the full conviction to take it. Whereas the divergences are also showing at 15 minutes, not to take a long position, but surprisingly, it actually gave a full complete breakout here. And this is like having very narrow width to actually move. So even this breakout I didn't take because if you see stop loss, I thought it will, sorry, it will be used stop loss to keep under this big candle. We can actually keep here and take profit here, which is not even 1.5. I think it is exactly 1.5. Still, it is not a good risk reward trade, so better avoid it. So I didn't take that trade. And then it was actually consolidating here. It is not giving any pure bearish or bullish, because even if you take bullish trade here, following Bank Nifty, the movement is very low. I mean, it is having only one resistance, but still it can reverse from here following the sideways move of Bank Nifty. So because this is a wide CPR. So another trade opportunity that I missed it is actually because of some office work, will be on and off. Here, this is actually good trade. Here you can take stop loss here, and then at least here, or day high to the candle high. Even if you consider it this yesterday's high, which is a supply zone, so this is actually almost 1:2. Even if you like slightly move this stop loss here, it will be 2. So this is actually CPR reversal is like a very good trade. This is actually, it has broken the day low and it has taken the support here. So this is 200 moving average, almost it is touching 200 moving average, one support, CPR support. Even if you see the trend line, this is almost touching the trend line. And then, I mean, it basically entered the zone of support. And also here the fake breakout here. It broken down here and then immediately reversed. So here the stop loss is very low, but your reward is very big. But look at this, I mean, I mean, honestly, we will not be staying actually for that much of time. But whoever actually taken this and waited patiently, they will be rewarded. And I mean, to be honest, even option selling, even if you do here after a point, it will be less decay only, but at least it gave very decent move. So we missed kind of that move, and then the next opportunity is fake breakout here. If you see here, short position here, and sorry if you're getting in background noises. So here you can take a fake breakout and then take profit at back to days low for a typical wide CPR day, the typical volatile move you can expect. But this moment it has given, I think, this indicated some strength. That's why I think I was not looking to, because till that point now you are seeing it is like a giving good record. But looking at this move, it is completely like inclined 20 MA, and that is showing a very good strength actually. So this just started to fall, but this is one another opportunity. At this moment, you can see even Nifty is kind of facing resistance at this previous day high or supply zone, and then just breaking the 20 MA. I mean, think it again started moving up and here started to break everyone's stop losses here, and then Nifty also moved. So this actually, if you have taken this again, is a stop loss trade. So one stop loss trade, this is like no risk reward. This is no risk reward, and this retracement and shorting opportunity is kind of no, because at the same time Nifty is making very huge bullish candle. See the body, and also volume is not supporting. So those are the trades in Bank Nifty. And Nifty, another trade that is possible is this breakout, day high breakout. Though there is no other resistance is available, it was kind of in the I mean, pivots or very open area. So it has broken like with a huge candle, but still we cannot uh, initiate the bullish trade for a breakout trade, because you considering the size of the candle, and immediately there is a resistance here. So it continuously made bullish candles and it has even broken the supply zone here. So which is again a bullish trade here actually. This breakout you can take and keep the stop loss here, and you see the immediate resistance is pivot, which is again no risk reward. It's kind of heavy movement, but strangely we don't have a proper actual no proper risk reward trades. You know the channel name, very we only take mostly good risk reward trades. So we have to stick to that. So but tomorrow I'm just making the changes. So today's high is this. So this is going to be of no effect, and this is going to be good level. So I'll just keep it in my graph so that we can know that CPR plus there is another support, because till now this is the resistance it is facing from past many days. It has formed a double top, so this might become a good support actually, even if it breaks and then made a fake breakout again. I think we can take a bullish trade. We don't need to follow the market, and tomorrow one more thing is no expiry, because a monthly expiry is on day before yesterday. We don't need to follow immediately, even if it is gapping up. it will, I think most likely it will be gap up tomorrow. So yes, we can, I think, remove. This will not be any good effect. And then I'll remove this. And there is a gap here. Okay. Let me take you to the daily time frame. That will be clear. Okay. And there is a gap border here. So this can act as a resistance again. And if you consider 20 MA, 20 MA is actually not sloping or something. It just started to trend. We'll never know till what level it goes. If this is broken again, I think the next resistance is this decline. So I'll keep that in my graph. And these are the important levels for us. So this will be good support tomorrow, even if it is coming down. Because of narrow CPR, you never know. Just in case if it comes down, this is a good support area. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Depending on the first candle, big red candle or big green candle, that will be another support. So we will only act when it reaches any of these levels, and we will see if there is any risk reward. Then only we'll take the trade. Okay. And coming to this, if we go to daily time frame, this is even more far from the 20 MA. You see it is trending so much. So for coming sessions, I think this will just keep because it is recent highs and resistance. So this is our resistance next, and there is a gap border again here. Nifty is looking very, very good for a bullish move. There is no resistance, proper resistance until 20,200. Nifty is actually looking very good for, I think, swing trade. You can see here also there is a uh, there is this zone breakout because you can see it is making higher highs and then there's this flat line. So it has actually made a breakout of this triangle. So any dip tomorrow will be good buying opportunity, but and again, everybody knows these things, and then there can be anything, any thing can happen actually. So you should be ready to take a stop loss even if it is not okay. So let me make this also okay. It can actually give fake breakout again, uh, make a sideways, and then if it breaks the CPR finally towards the end of the day, I think it can again come back to sideways trend, making it a fake breakout. It can even move to bearish. So we should be very careful. But considering the price action at higher time frame, this retracement is like a very golden opportunity. I don't know if it gives that, but if it gives, actually we can short the PE for next week and then leave it. And if it goes for a few days and then again if it is trying to break it, then I think we can actually short the call even if it is failing that level and make it strategy. So that will be good strategy, but that is for positional. Anyway, we are not positional traders. So this is the setup for tomorrow. Let's see what happens. Thank you so much.